What is good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy J4, and we are back again with another video. Go ahead and do your boy a quick favor. Go ahead and hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, man, we got a whole lot of more videos coming. But today, man, I'm going to be telling you guys a few cool features that are hidden within your Ford F-150 that you might not know about. Some of these may apply to you 2021s, 2023, whatever you may got. But let's go ahead and get right in it. I'm about to go ahead and jump right in it and meet you guys when I park. So one of the things I'm about to mention, the first thing for the cool hidden features that you might not know of, well, this is not necessarily a cool hidden feature, but what I'm about to say after that is really the cool hidden feature. But this is one of the things I do like about it. Got the tailgate release on the actual key fob. So you hit that button twice and there you go, the tailgates drop. Now, why would I show that for this video right here? So I just wanted to bring that up just so it leads to this main point. So this is the actual main thing that I'm talking about. That's a cool hidden feature. So if your hand's full or you don't have your key on you for whatever reason and you want to get to your tailgate, you want to open your tailgate up, so obviously you can go in and put your code in and it'll unlock the truck for you, or you can put your code in. You want to do it all at once instead of open the door, you can just put your code in and put mine in. Alright, and hit 5 and there you go, and your tailgates drop. Now I would say I believe that is a nice little feature, but I don't know exactly when I would use it. I doubt it if I will honestly ever use it, to be honest, but it's something nice to have just in case. I'm pretty sure some of you all may end up using it for whatever reason, but I know for me, I doubt if I ever use it, to be honest. Let's go ahead and jump to the next feature. That was the only outside feature that I know of anyway on the outside. But let's jump right in to the inside. Everything else is all inside. Alright, now this next thing that I'm going to show you guys is actually for when your key fob battery is dead. So there's a way you can access your truck and cut it on without having a battery in the key fob. So just in case your battery is dead, whatever. I've had to use this once. Now what you could do is, let me turn this around for you guys to see. So right where the cup holders, it'll be either right here or in this one or down in this little area right in here. Now I got a lot of stuff down in there, I'm not going to move it, but mine is right here, so I'm just going to show you guys real quick. So what you would do is, yeah, you got your little place right there you can put your key fob in. So if your battery dies, what you do, you just stick it right in there. Now mine's not going to go all the way in there just because I have this case over my key fob. So, but what you would do is stick that down in there and you cut the truck on. I will say it is a nice little feature. I've had to use it one time before because my battery was dead. And it actually works. So that's one thing that you might didn't know, but now you know. Now here's another thing. Let's move on to the third thing. So here's one more thing that you didn't know. Now when you got your truck on, let's go ahead and cut it on real quick. Alright, so let's say for instance that you got your truck in sport mode. Obviously you want to go out and have a little fun while you're in the truck. So let's say you're out right now, you want to have a little fun in the truck, you put the truck in sport mode, whatever. So but there is an option on the truck to where you can turn it to advanced track sport mode. I don't know exactly what it'll help do, but I mean it is there, but a lot of people don't know it. A lot of people think you just hit this button and that'll turn traction control off and that's it. Well, you do have other features that you can explore through this thing. So what you want to do is, like, say you in sport mode, and obviously if you want to get in sport mode on your car, you just hit this TS right here. Well, at least on the F-150, on this 2017 is right here. I know on other F-150s other places, but you just do that one, twice, and then you have the little S Sport right there. So what you can actually do though is hit this twice, boom, boom, and then there you go right there, advanced track sport mode. So I have to look more up about it, what exactly it does. I'm not all the way sure. Now I'm still not all the way sure what exactly advanced track sport mode does, but I seen something where somebody say pretty much it cuts power whenever you're braking or something like that. Let me see. So basically I just seen that it cuts power when you're sideways, something like that, I don't know. Basically allowing you to drift. I also seen on the Ford brochure that it's optimized for off-roading. So I don't know exactly what it does. I'm probably not going to use this. Alright, let's stick with up here on the cluster. So another thing, as you can see right now, my gear indicator is not on. Only thing what you have to do if you want that indicator light to come on, or even if you want it off, so to show your gears. So what you would do right here is you put it in gear, then you see those plus or minus right here. You just go ahead and hit either or, and there you go. it is on. And then let's say you want it back off, you just do the same. Basically, you just press the plus sign and it's back off. There you go. And last but not least, I know for sure it's not on every F-150, but it is on the Lariats, and well, at least on my Lariat. I'm pretty sure it's on all the Lariats. Maybe on some XLTs, but I doubt it that it is. But this next thing is not necessarily hidden, but I didn't know about it when I first got my truck, and I was just playing around on the screen, and it just so happened to notice it. So, all right. So right here, what you can do on the screen, let's say you want some, let's say you just so happen you actually want these lights like this right here on there, right? So the Lariats, the lights like right there, you see the blue light, and right here in the cup holder. So the Lariats, they actually have a thing in here, a setting in here where you can change the ambient lighting setting. I did not know this when I first got the truck. So obviously you go to settings, scroll over, and go to ambient lighting. I did not know this. And you can pick whatever different colors you want. I have the soft blue on mine just because I love the color blue. And then obviously I got my suspension powder coated illusion blueberry, so it's blue. I was actually gonna buy some lights to put up under here to make it glow up blue in here, but so that actually saved me some money, realizing that I had. But anyway guys, that's gonna be all for me for today. I want to just hop on here and show a few cool features that you might didn't know about. But anyway guys, it's gonna be all, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.